So welcome guys everybody back to the channel. In today's episode of Be My Passenger, we are going to have a closer look in this Volvo S60's interior. This is a 2-liter diesel engine and the manufacturing year is 2014. Feel free to have a look around in the interior. To be honest, the car has a pretty decent interior. I really like it. It is equipped with a manual transmission, a multifunction steering wheel. As I'm not the owner, I'm not quite familiar with the multimedia system, which is here, and also the control of the AC and the fan is here, which looks pretty nice with this human shape. You can control where the air is blowing at you. It has a dual zone climate control. One thing I don't really like about this and nowadays modern cars is the electronic parking brake, which is located here. It can be quite a pain in the ass to work on if you don't have the necessary tools. Other than that, it's a decent car, decent sedan. It has decent space for 4 passengers. You can have a look at the back as well. So guys, this was all I could tell you about the interior of this car. If you like these kind of videos, let me know in the comment section and I may do a full review, a full 360 review of any car which you request me to do. So thanks for watching and catch you in the next one. Bye!